If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and what's up to all of my dozens of roses? So if you are a true dozen of rose gang, you already know what your girl doing, relaunching her lingerie business. Now if you're watching this when it comes out, tomorrow is my launch day. Like, I'm so excited, and I believe in me. I believe I'm gonna sell out, and guess what, even if I don't, I'm trying. That's all that matters. As long as you don't give up on your dream and you keep going, you have not failed. That's what I'm learning. It doesn't matter about the likes. It only matters about them people seeing it, them views, and people actually purchasing from your business. So I'm the link down below, so in case you guys want to check it out, I'm going to actually have a code for you guys as well, and it's going to be YouTube. Everything's going to be in the description box, of course, but it's going to be YouTube, probably YouTube 1, because this will be the first coupon I have for you guys. Yeah, as you guys can see, is going to be organizing her lingerie with her kids, baby, because they got 2 good legs, they got 2 good arms, so why not use them? So they're gonna just help me sort out the stuff, so it'll be easy. Stop, little boy. Yeah, so it will be easy for me to pretty much put everything together. I don't have to do it by myself. They can be my little assistants, right? Alright, so yeah, let's just get started. I would like to give a shout out to my crew, Nicole the Pisces Queens, Bags 804, and Hood 804 Gaming. These people hold me down every day, and I appreciate you guys. So let's get started. So I haven't told you guys Happy New Year's, Happy 2023, and I'm just gonna get this little baby, the little bad baby, out of the way so I can get started. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and put this cover on the floor, because of course I wouldn't want to put my product directly on the floor, you know, and especially being that I had to mop this floor. I cleaned up the whole house. Only thing I didn't do was mop, so of course I'm not going to put it on this floor until I put something down. So life is not perfect. Hair day is tomorrow, and me and all my kids is going to get our hair done. Okay, so this black bag is all of the lingerie that I put on personally when I do my photo shoots, because if you don't know, I am the face of my brand, and I am my model currently until I find me a plus size model. And I'm just, you know, showing you guys some of the pieces. I'm not going to take them out or anything, because like I said, I'm going to do like a whole try on of everything that Bodiofagoddess sells. So yeah. Okay, so let me introduce my kids, even though they're not really showing their faces like that, and I don't really, you know, post them, and I do that for my personal reasons, because this is a crazy world that we live in, a very, very crazy world. And something simple as me doing YouTube or just anything, people could like get your location and try and come and take your kids, and that's that. Of course, every parent's worst nightmare. So that's why I don't really post my kids as much. But the boy in the yellow shirt, that is Marcus, he is, well, I'm not going to tell you guys their age, but he has ADHD, autism. Zabria, she is the only girl, my baby girl, my Pisces. And we have little Asaya. Okay, so I'm showing you guys this little black piece once side move. It is so cute, so beautiful. Okay, and of course he has to be in the camera, because he thinks, and he comes with the thong too, because he thinks he's the star of the show, and he's not. Okay, but yeah, we're just gonna continue sorting this stuff out so that I can do my inventory on my website. And I am so thankful for my kids. I love them to death. They are kind of mad because today, well, not mad, but like today I told myself today is going to be the last day that I clean up this whole entire house by myself, because they're the ones who's making the mess 9 times out of 10. So it's time to start teaching them for sure. Like, listen, you mess something up, you do this, whatever, you know, y'all know the whole shebang bang. But that'll make them not want to mess up their room or whatever. So they help me clean up this whole room now. They're helping me organize this stuff, so like I said, I can do my inventory on my website. So I know it bothers some people, and then some people it does not bother them. But you know, I do have a little baby that likes to run around, and of course you hear him right now in the background. And yeah, he's my little baby, and I let him live his life. I don't, you know, just make my kids not be who they are, you know. So yeah, that sums that up. So I guess I wanted to apologize for that, for him being in the background making noise, but no, let him be the toddler he is. So you guys down below, tell me how your New Year's is going. Like I say, I'm launching my business, so it is very exciting. Like, I got my TikTok going, I got my YouTube going, which I had to post a little bit more here, and I have my Facebook going, and everybody's like, wow. Like, both of my parents called me on the same day. It was like, girl, we got a cute ass daughter. Ooh. And they're proud of me, and that makes me very happy. And I know if you know, are part of the Dozen of Rose gang, my twin brother, you know, if you are a part of the Rose gang, and if you're new here, my twin brother just passed away in 2022. You know, the hardest thing to ever get over. So I know he's smiling down, because that's one thing he told me before he left here. And yeah, Bodiofagoddess. So yeah, that's one milestone down to make him smile down from heaven. I really appreciate my kids helping me out here, and they're just so great, especially my little man. I just love him so much. You guys, to some of you guys who support me so much, I want you to know that I'm always supporting somebody. Y'all, I got 9 devices now after Christmas, and 2 laptops, 3 TVs, and about however many phones. But y'all see my girl Cole there, my boy Bags there, and then we have Fifi. Y'all, if y'all not subscribed to Fifi or Bags or even Nicole, go ahead and subscribe to them. I will leave their info in the description box. So yeah, if you support me, please know I'm always supporting you, even if I do not say so. So this is everything that Bodiofagoddess has. Can you say cha-ching? I have so much product that I have to sell. Mommy. So like I was saying, I have a lot of stuff here to sell, you guys, and yeah, your girl, she's gonna win this year with Bodiofagoddess. I have a lot of stuff coming up. I'm probably gonna be doing giveaways because Valentine's is on the way, and like I said, I'm gonna give you guys codes and all of that. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, because now I have to go through all this stuff and make sure it's in the correct pile and see what's all already on my website, so that I can go ahead and put the correct numbers in my inventory. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and am going to be dropping videos on Wednesdays. I'm going to try to do a video every Wednesday. So I love you guys, and Happy New Year's again, and shout Body of a Goddess, and I appreciate all of you guys. Peace.